अमेरिका की कोलंबिया यूनिवर्सिटी में फलस्तीन की हिमायत में मुजाहरे की पादाश में गिरफ्तार तालिब इल्म महमूद खलील रिहा हो गए। आज़ाद होते ही न्यूज़ कॉन्फ्रेंस में उन्होंने एक बार फिर फलस्तीन की आज़ादी का नारा लगा दिया। महमूद खलील ने बातचीत में कहा कि ट्रंप इंतजामिया के लिए उनकी आज़ादी एक पैगाम है कि फलस्तीन के हामियों को दबाने के तमाम हरबे नाकाम हो गए।
This is what I was protesting. This is what I will continue to protest with every one of you. Not only if they threaten me with detention, even if they would kill me, I would still speak up for Palestine. Again, I just want to go back and just continue the work that I was already doing, advocating for Palestinian rights, a speech that should actually be celebrated rather than punished, as this administration wants to do.
What is your message to?
Just the fact that I am here, it's a message. The fact that all these attempts to suppress pro-Palestine voices have failed now. So this is the message. My existence is a message. The Palestinian existence is a message to this administration. Free Palestine! Free Palestine!